Dark helmet drops by an episode of The Goldbergs. Screenshot, Yahoo, ABCYesterday. The world learned that, mostly, retired actor Rick Moranis would be reprising his role as Dark Helmet from Spaceballs on an episode of ABC's The Goldbergs. And now, you don't even have to set your DVR. You can see the whole thing. Yahoo got the clip from the 1980s set sitcom. As promised, it features Moranis lending his voice to the character from the 1987 Mel Brooks Star Wars spoof. Did it live up to your expectations? The episode airs May 9th at 8 p.m. Read more about it at this link, Yahoo Movies.